The Octao port is a declared hazardous production facility where loading and unloading of equipment and goods with hosting mechanisms are carried out. These technical devices present a certain danger. To prevent accidents and incidents associated with the operation of these technical devices, the port has developed a set of measures aimed at ensuring workers' and visitors' safety when located in the port. General safety requirements for employees of JSC and C Octao International Sea Trade Port. Before entering the workplace, each employee of JSC and C Octao International Sea Trade Port passes through the checkpoint with the issued pass. It is forbidden to bring thrusting and cutting objects, alcoholic beverages and narcotic substances. You can move around the port via a dedicated pedestrian path, Green Corridor. For the safety of pedestrians, you should not move close to moving wheels. Crossing the road or railways must be carried out only via the pedestrian path. After the procedure of passing through the checkpoint, organization employees will be sent to a changing room to change civilian clothes for work wear. Each employee must use mandatory personal protective equipment, work clothing, safety shoes, a protective helmet, a reflective vest, and safety goggles. Employees undergo mandatory pre-shift medical examination in the medical center, located at the port. It is strictly forbidden to come to work when intoxicated or intoxicated, drink alcohol and take illegal drugs on the site. Smoking is allowed on the territory of the port exclusively in designated smoking areas marked with signs. After the pre-shift medical examination, employees are sent to workplaces to carry out their duties. The supervisor conducts an inspection of the workplace and issues a task to employees. Safety and labor rules for employees of the loading and unloading complex. The main responsibilities of the stevedore: to receive the tasks for loading, unloading and moving wheels and cargo from the senior stevedore of the loading and unloading complex, to determine the number mechanic dockers of loading and unloading complex needed for moving cargo from the unloading area to the site, to instruct the loading and unloading complex mechanic dockers and machine operators of gantry crane about the upcoming work, the nature and scope, production technology, safe practices and working methods, with instructed signing the assignment of the port loading and unloading, hereinafter assignment, and signing in the journal of accounting assignment of tasks and arrangement of dockers, machine operators, according to working flow charts, hereinafter WFC. To check the site preparation before starting work and the availability of the necessary handling equipment. To take from the specialists of the technology group load gripping equipment, load gripping devices, hereinafter GZO, GZP. Check them before starting work and give them after checking for work to mechanic dockers. To organize and manage loading and unloading operations at production sites and the berths, auxiliary operations for the processing of ships, rolling stock, wheels and other wheels, and to control the timing of their processing in accordance with the shift daily plan and other regulatory documents per shift. To do the arrangement of railway rolling stock along the fronts of loading, unloading, loading of ships and motor wheels. To supervise the placement, securing the settlement of goods on wheels and on railways rolling stock in accordance with the regulatory documents. Duties of the docker machine operator. Receive a briefing from the superintendent of work on the nature and technology of the work ahead, as well as briefing on safe working methods and safety methods at the workplace. Docker machine operator, which operate reloading machines, are additionally instructed by a shift mechanic. For the briefing received, you should sign the assignment journal. Getting to work without receiving instruction is prohibited. Check the serviceability of work wear, safety shoes and other personal protective equipment. They must be in good condition. The jacket should be fastened. The sleeves should be lowered. The shoes should be laced. It is forbidden to replace work wear with personal clothes and shoes. Prepare the workplace and keep it clean. Slippery surfaces sprinkle with sand. It is forbidden to walk on slippery and cluttered places with poor lighting or in absence of lighting. Please deliver to the workplace the necessary equipment, plant and equipment, inventory, tools that are specified in the working technological documentation. Check their serviceability and availability of appropriate identification mark. If the total weight of materials handling equipment, inventory and tools exceeds 30 kilograms, then the delivery to the workplace should be carried out by using lifting and transport wheels. To carry out loading, unloading and transshipment of all types of cargo into the ships, wagons, cars and other rolling stock should be carried out while ensuring their safety and integrity. Safety and labor rules for crew members. Entering and leaving the ship is possible only by the ladder. Before starting work, the ship's captain conducts a detailed briefing with staff. For your safety, you can only enter the engine room with special headphones. Indoors, ship personnel must wear metal insulated shoes, a safety helmet and a reflective vest. Upon entering the deck and carrying out work there, it is obligatory to protect yourself with a life jacket and use gloves. When mooring the vessel, the sailor, when taking the end, must move to a safe distance. Constantly monitor the working environment and pay attention to the design of the vessel, weather conditions, lighting and fences. Safety and labor protection rules for garage drivers. Before undergoing a pre-shift medical examination, each driver must receive a weigh bill. Before leaving the garage, together with the release mechanic, it is necessary to check the equipment for serviceability. When traveling, it is obligatory to use seat belts. It is obligatory to require passengers to wear seat belts. Stick to the speed limit at the part, not more than 20 km per hour. When passing the fueling point, please slow down to 5 km per hour. If you feel unwell, please stop all the work and contact the medical center. In case of an accident, inform your management. After passing the shift, be sure to turn in the weigh bills and check the technical condition of the wheel. In case of emergency, please call First Aid Post 8 72 92 44 51 08, extended 1103 1003. Labor Protection 8 72 92 44 51 42, extended 13 21. 8 72 92 44 51 15, extended 1050 1601 1608. 8 72 92 44 54 06, extended 1307. 8 72 92 54 49 22, extended 1304. Operator. Dear employees of GSC and C Octau International Sea Trade Part, remember, a safe environment is the result of teamwork. Your family believes that you will return home safe and sound. Be careful.